Tapestri, the app that pays you a monthly check for your anonymous pings. Here are 3 ways you currently give away your GPS pings on a daily basis. Through timekeeping, which is a basic function of your device. Your device understands your GPS pings to keep accurate time based on your current location. And mapping. Your smartphone directs you to any location that you desire by using mapping apps. To accomplish this task, the app uses your GPS pings. And finally, the weather app. The weather app tells you the forecast for your area. It must know your location to do this, and this is done by understanding your GPS pings. None of these other applications pay you for these GPS pings, but Tapestri will pay you a monthly check in exchange for the very same pings you're already giving away free. The app is free to anyone in your home who is 16 or older. You can earn up to $25 a month on your GPS pings alone. Plus, there are 4 other income options within the app to boost your monthly check even higher. By allowing Tapestri to understand the anonymous pings your phone already creates, you can earn a monthly check from them. As we stated earlier, you must be 16 to join, but you can join Tapestri free and start earning a side hustle income 100% free. So here are the benefits to free users. There's 5 ways you can earn an income. You can earn on the GPS pings you're already giving away. We've been talking about those pings. Second, you can activate notifications and increase your income with a tap to earn option. Number 3, if you wish, you can do surveys while you're sitting and waiting, maybe at the doctor's office, for example. Number 4, you can play games with casual gaming. It's another option while you're waiting in line for appointments or your airplane. And number 5, share Tapestri absolutely free right through the app with your friends and family or on social media, and you can earn additional cash. To start earning immediately, this is what you do. Ask for my link or the link of the person that sent you this video. Then download the app, activate the app, and it's important that you allow the anonymous location always. Now again, this is just those GPS pings that you're already giving away. Once you have the app set up properly, you should show earnings immediately. Then just watch it every few days and make sure that you're earning each day. Then share this video with your friends and family so they can begin earning too. And as they earn, you will earn more and more and more. Thank you for watching this short video. Now there is a huge income opportunity with Tapestri beyond being a free user as discussed in this video. And again, if you're interested in that, anywhere from a small side hustle of a couple $100s a month or even replacing a full-time income, get in touch with the person that sent you this video. Thanks again. Bye-bye.